Okay, so the way we added it was we took a piece of lightweight perforated steel angle. It already has a random hole pattern in it, and we simply added a couple of additional holes to align with the lower bolts that actually normally hold the reed into the beater bar. And then to that I took and bolted on top a small piece of some 3/8 inch engineered flooring that we had because we were using on the boat, and countersunk a couple of bolts through it to allow it to bolt on. The wood is back beveled on both the side against the reed to allow it to fit tighter to the beater bar, and on the side towards the operator to allow it a little bit smoother transition over the yarn. The edges were then slightly sanded to just remove all of the burrs. The only other thing was the carriage bolts that go through the lower frame on the beater bar had to be replaced with a standard bolt and nut in order to work with the round holes that we drilled into the steel bracket, as opposed to the carriage bolts that are made to press their own square hole into the wood frame. So it's completely removable if you just take off the two bolts, and it just comes back off.
And best thing, no more submarining boat shuttles. Yay!